Now we can create an assignment where students will complete their work in the GitHub repository. We can click the Create an Assignment button. Now you'll be prompted to give the assignment a title. And you can also do an optional deadline. I'm going to make this assignment individual. Now we can set up the repository visibility. If we keep it private, students will not be able to share their work with other students or developers. If we set it to public, students will be able to collaborate with peers and other developers. Now we can choose to grant students admin access to their repository. If they need to add their own CI tools or collaborators, or make settings changes, you can check this box. Now we can click Continue. Now we can add a template repository. GitHub created an example template where we can see that the goal of the assignment is to correct the string for the test to run. We can click on this hello.test.js code. Here we can see that the working code should output Hello World. Now we can search for this template in the search bar. If you're not sure what to search for, we can look here, which should be education/autograding-example-node. Here, we can choose whether we want students to use an online IDE. For this example, I'm going to choose Don't Allow. Now we can click Continue. Now we can add our auto-grading test. We saw previously that the example starter code is a Node application with a test file. Here we can click Add Test and select Node. Now we are prompted to name the test. We can also choose a timeout, which is the amount of minutes the test is allowed to be open. And we can also choose the amount of points that the assignment is worth. Now we can click Save Test Case. On this screen, we can see that our assignment is ready, and we have a link that we can copy and share to our students. Going back to the dashboard, we can click on our classroom. Here we can see the individual assignment that we just created. Now we're going to create a group assignment. Here, the formula to create the assignment is the same. However, when we click Group Assignment, it gives us a couple different options. Here, we can name the set of teams, set the maximum members per team, and set the maximum number of teams. I'm going to choose the same template repository as we used for the first individual assignment. And I'm going to select Visual Studio Code as the online IDE. Now I'm going to add the same test as I did previously. Finally, we can click Create Assignment. Here, we can see that the assignment is live and we can share it with students via this link. To see the assignment from the student's perspective, we can copy and paste this link. Here, we are prompted to create a new team since there are none existing currently. Now the student will be prompted to accept the assignment. Going back to our Assignment 2 page, we can see that a student started a team and there is still one student remaining that is not on a team. We can also see whether the team has submitted the assignment.